Hi everyone, welcome back to another cooking episode. We will be making salad. The ingredients are tomatoes, onion, cucumber, carrot, hard-boiled eggs, apples, lettuce, olives, ground black pepper, balsamic vinegar, white vinegar, olive oil, some dried basil and dried parsley, and salt. For the vinaigrette, here are the ingredients: dried parsley, dried basil, ground pepper, black pepper crushed, salt, rosemary, and garlic. Add vinegar and oil to your herbs and spices to make the vinaigrette. Cut the fruit, the vegetables, and the egg, and then add in the vinaigrette. And here's our finished product.